Welcome to Style in Motion. Welcome to part 3 of the unique and innovative exploration of body art, Black Tape Project. In this video, we bring you the highlights from Miami Swim Week 2024, an event that seamlessly blends body art and creativity with stunning designs crafted using black tape as the main element. This video showcases the aesthetic beauty of this art form, focusing on creativity and innovation. Presented in slow motion, it allows you to appreciate the intricate details of the designs and the elegance of movement, creating a captivating visual experience. We emphasize that this content is crafted to adhere strictly to platform guidelines, celebrating the beauty of body art without featuring inappropriate or offensive elements. Each design and appearance here represents internationally recognized artistry, inspiring creativity while respecting the values of artistic expression. Stay tuned until the end to witness the remarkable creativity of the talented artists behind this project. Don't forget to support this video by liking, commenting, and sharing it with friends who love art and fashion. Together, let's appreciate body art as a powerful form of creative expression.